Hello everyone. Welcome to the Growth Wallet, a place where you learn to earn money and dignity by being a gentle person. Today's video, I want to discuss about 5 honest ways to earn money and live a peaceful life. In today's world, everyone is running after money. Some run fast, some run blindly, and some even lose their peace while running. But let me ask you one simple question. What is the use of money if you can't sleep peacefully at night? Real success is not just earning money. Real success is earning money honestly with dignity and peace of mind. In this video, I will share 5 honest ways of earning money that not only fulfill your pocket but also keep your heart light and your life peaceful. So watch till the end because the last point is the foundation of all success. Number 1. Skill-based work. The first and most honest way of earning money is by selling your skill, not your soul. Skills like accounting, teaching, writing, designing, programming, video editing, digital marketing. When you earn through skills, you don't cheat anyone, you don't depend on shortcuts, you don't fear exposure. Skill-based income gives self-respect. Even if you earn less in the beginning, your confidence grows every day. Remember, money earned by skill creates pride, not fear. And the best part, skill grows with time, so your income grows naturally. Providing value through service. The second honest way to earn money is service-based earning. Service means solving real problems for real people, helping clients manage finances, teaching students, supporting businesses, caring for customers genuinely. When your focus is help first, money second, money follows automatically. People trust you, people respect you, people come back to you. Service-based income brings peace because you don't need to lie, you don't need to manipulate. You sleep knowing you helped someone today. The more value you create, the more peaceful you earn. Long-term legal investment. The third honest way of earning money is patient investing. Not gambling, not illegal schemes, not get rich quick traps. Real investment like education, legitimate business, stock with long-term vision, mutual fund, retirement plans. Investing teaches discipline and patience. It removes anxiety. It builds future security. When money grows slowly but legally, your mind stays calm. Fast money creates fast stress. Slow money creates lifelong peace. Content creation and knowledge sharing. The fourth honest way to earn money is sharing knowledge. If you know something useful, finance, education, motivation, life lesson, skills, you can teach it through YouTube, blogs, online courses, social media. This type of earning is powerful because you earn while helping thousands. You build trust, not pressure. You create impact, not harm. Even if growth is slow at first, the peace you feel is unmatched. When your income is connected to helping minds grow, your life grows peacefully. The last but not least, living below your means. The most important. Now listen carefully. This is not about earning, but keeping peace while earning. The most honest way to live peacefully is earn honestly but spend wisely. Many people earn well but live stressed life because they compare too much. They chase status, they try to impress others. Peaceful life comes when your expenses are less than income. Your lifestyle matches your reality. Your happiness is not rented. You don't need more money. You need less unnecessary desires. A simple life with honest income is richer than a luxurious life with and lots of stress. At last, let me leave you with one truth. Money earned dishonestly gives fear. Money earned honestly gives sleep. Choose skill over shortcut. Choose value over greed. Choose peace over pressure. Because at the end of the day, a peaceful life is the real wealth. If this message touches your heart, share it with someone who needs to clarify in their life. Thank you, and remember, earn honestly and live peacefully. Thank you very much for being till the end. I hope you don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And don't forget it because you will be notified by my upcoming video. Thank you so much. Have a nice time ahead. On wisely.